Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burgers stay together. First, always start with fresh, cold ground meat that has a good fat content, ideally around 20%. This helps with flavor and binding. Next, be careful not to overwork the meat mixture, as this can make your burgers tough and crumbly. Gently form your patties, making sure they are uniform in thickness for even cooking. To further ensure your burgers hold their shape, consider adding a binding agent. A good rule of thumb is to use 1 large egg for every pound of ground meat. Additionally, about 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs or crushed crackers can absorb any excess moisture, preventing your patties from falling apart. For an extra boost, 1 tablespoon of flour or cornstarch can also help create a more cohesive burger. Proper forming and cooking techniques are crucial. Before cooking, make a small indentation in the center of each patty. This prevents them from bulging. Then, chill your formed patties for at least 30 minutes. This helps them firm up and maintain their shape on the grill or pan. Cook your burgers on a medium-high heat to quickly sear the outside, locking in juices and structure. Finally, avoid common mistakes. Never press down on your burgers while they are cooking, as this squeezes out valuable juices and can cause them to break apart. Always ensure your cooking surface is adequately hot before placing the patties down. A good sear helps immensely. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. And speaking of reading, you can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.